Marhaba, ismi Roman, ana Jamaica. This is my progress after learning Arabic for 5 days. So the second day rather, I looked on the Arabic letters or alphabet and I tried to copy it, then I tried to do it based on memory, and again from memory, and again on day 5 from memory, and continuing on day 5 I did drilling. Drilling is where you write or do something repeatedly. So let's go with the alphabet.
Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Jim, Ha, Ha, Del, Vel, Ra, Ze, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Te, Te. There are two pronunciations for this. You could say ze, like ze, or the, there. I know which character it is. And then we go after ze, we go ein, and then rein, and then fe, and then after fe, there's kaf, then kef, then lam, then lam, then mim, then noon, then wow. Wow. I'm missing two. The last one is ye. So the one before that I don't remember. So I'm missing just one.
Marhaba, ismi Roman, ana Jamaiki, or ana ismi Jamaiki, ismi Franza, ana al-mua, like I'm a teacher. Oh my god, it's so bad. So marhaba, ismi Roman, ana Jamaica, or ana Jamaiki, and ana hamula, which means I'm a teacher. I don't remember. But my counting is even worse. It's like wahid, talata or no, ithnan, wahid, ithnan, tata, I think, arba, khamsa, sit, sieben, thanalaya, something on hashara. Okay, so that's the best I can do. I did not dedicate hours studying each day. I tried to use anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes and on some occasions 1 hour, because this is a realistic time frame in which I can actually study the language. I won't pretend as if I have 1 hour each day, because even if I could do that, it wouldn't be realistic of what I could achieve in 1 week with a normal schedule. So with going to the gym, having work, and all that I have to do in my personal life, church and all of that, this is the actual time I could actually allot. So with that said, I hope I wasn't too bad, but this has intrigued me enough to study Arabic a little bit more. But again, it all boils down to time. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, though maybe not much is accomplished. Nonetheless, I feel very proud of myself. With that said, I'll see you guys next time. So I forgot to say goodbye. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.